Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm making cauliflower kabab. We have to fry this one. I'll be taking oil also. For that I have taken little bit of cilantro and curry leaves. This is the curry leaves. I'll be using little bit of chana flour, gram flour, lime juice, and this is the kabab powder. I have mixed and kept it. This all we need. We'll mix it and keep it, and then we'll fry it. Kabab, for the kabab I have taken few cauliflower. To that I'll be adding right now little bit of cilantro, adding the kabab powder 2 spoons, then 1 spoon of the gram flour, 2 spoons, sorry. Then we'll mix it first, then we'll add lime juice and little bit of curry leaves. In the frying also we'll be adding. Right now I added little bit. We'll mix it first. I already mixed it. Now I'll be adding lime juice. When we are about to fry, we will add the water. Until then no need to add water. So now I'll be adding a little bit of lime juice. Now this is ready. We'll add water and fry. This I'll be adding water right now and mix it well. Little bit water is enough. So mixing like this. Then we have to leave it in oil. I already kept the oil to heat. So I'll be dropping one by one. Then frying it. So now I'll be dropping it one by one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon. You can do it for the party or for any of the events or just like a snack in the evening. Simple and easy. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and family so somebody can get use of this one. So we have to fry it to a crisp. So after that we can eat this one with any kind of ketchup or something, or just like that also it is good. So after it's done, we'll be adding curry leaves in the end a little bit to give some more smell. So now we have to add the curry leaves. So now I'll be taking it out. So this is crisp and that's enough for us. If you want more crisp, you can keep it. So now this is done. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Okay, bye. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm making a kebab premix, but I'll be using this as a measurement because I'm making very little. I'll be using this one. I'll be showing how to mix it. First we need 1 cup of corn flour, then 1 cup of rice flour, 3/4 cup of Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 cup of dhania powder, 1/4 cup of garam masala. First I'll put that. Rice flour, corn flour 1 cup, 1/4 cup of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 small spoon of extra hot chili powder, salt 1/4 cup, garam masala 1/4 cup, jeera powder 1/4 cup, dhania powder 1/4 cup, garlic powder quarter spoon onion powder, amchur powder means like mango dry powder, small spoon, ice cream spoon, tandoori masala quarter spoon, kasuri methi quarter cup. This we have to smash it and put it like this. Mix it well, everything, and when you are ready to do, just add oil, a little bit, 1 spoon of oil. This mix, like depending on how much you have taken the quantity. Then you have to add lime juice, little bit, while making. Then curry leaves, you can add curry leaves. I'll be bringing dry curry leaves right now. When you fry also you can add, this is the curry leaves dried one, just mashing like this and then be adding. Mix it well. Then you can keep it in a tight container. Whenever you want, you can just mix this one. It all depends on the measurement of the cup you take. Exactly like that, you can just make it more or less. So if you are taking a bigger cup, you can use it the bigger cup. If you are using a smaller cup, you can take that as a measurement also. While doing, just add a little bit of vinegar or lime juice, then curry leaves also, then ginger garlic paste if you have. Shallow fry this one, or you can deep fry also. Garnish with cilantro and lime juice. Serve it with green chili or the sweet chutney like a brown chutney. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'll be mixing this and I'll be putting in a container. In a blender also you can put it and mix it. And just mix it like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon. So I'll be putting this in a container. When you are ready to do, just add a little bit of oil, little bit of salt, and then vinegar and water, and mix it. And then you can do it with paneer, eggplant, not like any of the non-veg also you can do, but I'm telling you about the vegetarian. Any of the thicker vegetables you can do, mushroom, anything like that. So you can do with any of the vegetables. If you this mixture is ready, it's faster and easy. Shallow fry it. I'll show you how to mix it. And the oil, I'll be adding water. I just added water, and you have to make it to this thickness. When you are doing, you can just add the paneer, baby corn, and mushroom, even eggplant, any of the harder vegetables you can just do it and shallow fry it. So this thickness is good. If you want, you can taste it and see if you need extra salt. You can add extra salt and little bit of vinegar or lime juice. Thanks for watching.